Hello. I am excited. I finally received my shoes from China. So I ordered these amazing shoes on March 5th, 2020, before COVID-19. And I've sent multiple requests and I almost canceled the order, but they kept assuring me that they were in California. And anyway, they have arrived. Today is June 15th. So it only took from March 5th, 2020 to June 15th, 2020. But I got the shoes. So I'm excited. As you can see, that's where they're from. And that's me. Yeah. So we'll see. Now, the shoes I ordered two pair. Hold on. They're supposed to be Nikes, but not real Nikes. So faux Nikes, the new style. And I don't have tennis shoes, so I'm excited. You see they have it double wrapped. That's Chinese quality. Oh, another layer. I think you're going to be excited about the color. Are you ready for this? So if you notice the stripe, that's why they're not real Nikes, because it has a niche at the top. See? Not real Nikes. But they look like real Nikes because they say AIR on the back, or RIA. See? I got one pair for me and one pair for Nicholas. See, that's the bottom. So they look the same, they feel the same, they got the good quality. See? Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Styrofoam. Notice, see? Good bendies. And here's the bigger pair. I think this must be Nicholas. 45 and 40. They actually look the same size. Anyway, so as you can see, they have the Nike swish with an extra notch at the top. So, and they say AIR or RIA. And there's another one. And they're all the right color. So we should see if they fit. I think the 44s are mine. And look, they come with styrofoam. Let's see. Hey, not bad. Oof. Yeah. I think I can get some miles in these. So now you see them. Fresh Nikes. Ooh, I don't know what that says. That's it. That's my unboxing. See, they finally made it.